According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 334.30, you can find information on minimum bending radii for cables. Table 334.30 details the minimum bending radii for insulated conductors based on conductor material. For solid copper conductors, the minimum bending radius is 8 times the conductor diameter. For stranded copper conductors, the minimum bending radius is 10 times the conductor diameter. It is important to note that these minimum bending radii apply to individual conductors within a cable assembly, which includes XHHN conductors. This means when bending individual XHHN conductors within a service entrance cable or other assembly, you must adhere to the specified bending radii. Therefore, to determine the minimum bending radius for a single XHHN conductor, you would measure the diameter of the conductor. If the conductor is solid copper, multiply that diameter by 8. If the conductor is stranded copper, multiply that diameter by 10. The result is the minimum bending radius you must maintain during installation to comply with NEC requirements. Failing to adhere to these bending radii can cause damage to the conductor's insulation, potentially leading to short circuits, ground faults, or other electrical hazards. It is crucial to ensure proper bending during installation to maintain the integrity and safety of the electrical system. In summary, consult NEC Article 334.30, specifically Table 334.30 and the associated notes to determine the minimum bending radius for individual conductors, including XHHN, based on whether they are solid or stranded copper. Remember, the bending radius for solid copper is 8 times the conductor diameter, and for stranded copper, it is 10 times the conductor diameter. These requirements apply to individual conductors even when they are part of a cable assembly. Always prioritize safety and code compliance when working with electrical conductors. Correct bending practices are essential for reliable and safe electrical installations.